Hello crew, this is Sergio with TRW, and in this tutorial we're going to cover how to create cool monograms using our monogram fonts. So as you see here we have monogram font number 16. I'm going to go ahead and click the letter T for the type tool, and I'm going to start with the letter F, then I'm going to hold down shift, letter A, and then type the letter Q. And as you see here, we have the beginning to a cool looking monogram, but we're going to do some adjustments real quick. And I'm going to go fairly fast here. I'm going to type the letter T. By holding Alt, I'm decreasing the kerning fairly quickly. And I'll do the same on this side. You can also do a baseline shift if you prefer over here. And we'll do the same for the letter Q. Okay, now we have something fairly nice, but we also want to create something with color. So I'm going to go to Object, Expand, and this will convert it to curves. And as you see here, I can type the letter A for the direct select tool, and I'll choose some colors like purple and pink. There we go. And now to add the finishing touch to give this monogram a little bit more depth, I'm going to go ahead and select the monogram and double click. This will bring us into the isolation mode. So now I can just simply select the letter A. We're going to go to Object, Path, Offset Path, click Preview, and this will give us an offset path that you can adjust right over here, depending on how big or how, I guess, narrow you want it to be. So click OK. I'm gonna type the letter I for the eyedropper tool, select the white as my background, and this will give us a good preview of what we want. I'm gonna bring this in a little bit, right click, arrange, send to back, and here we are. We have a nice, cool looking monogram. You can always go in there and manually shift things a little bit depending on your preference. And so here we go. We got a nice, cool looking monogram. I'm going to double click on the background and exit isolation mode. So once again, this is Sergio with TRW, and I hope you learned something new with me today.